Okay, Carolyn, this is your sink. This is the new faucet. And we're just filling it up with water. We're going to shut it off. And you don't have one of those pull things. This is what they're doing these days is they got the one where you just push it, which is easier. And so it drains. Whoa, it drains fast. Because your pipes were clogged. The pipe I showed you that had the rust in it, it was clogged up. It had that what you call galvanized piping. So in this area, it was really clogged up. Not this piping that's in there. This is the new PVC piping. So no leaks. We got new shutoff valves, new supply lines, new faucet, new drain system. So everything seems to be working fine. What's up? Okay, and Santos told me to turn to the shower valve. So the right valve was the one that was sticking, and now it's. I guess I need to get up and see if I can. Hold on, pardon the noise. So let me go over here. All right. So, okay, that's it. The water's coming out. That's the cold water valve, and you shut it off. So, that's working. Praise God. And like I said, your nice little new sink. So we're gonna put the little stand back. Now that we check, I'm gonna check this drain one more time. And we're gonna check the hot water too. We're gonna cut the hot water on. I didn't hear anything on that one. Oh, it's on there. So there's the hot water. Yeah, the hot water wasn't working. I didn't know that, but that hot water side, oh, the shutoff was stuck. That might have been what it was. But anyway, once again, I'll stop the water. Let it fill up. That light, is that light down here, still here? Excuse me. Santos, it's in here, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's in here, I'm sorry. So, I just want you to see when I pull that drain, when I push the drain, okay, I'm cutting the water off. Yeah, it's hot. So, push the drain thing. Oh, this drain is real good. It's real good. All right, there it is. It's working now, so we're going to put the thing back and close it up.